Hey there, future data analysts. Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of data and start your journey towards a rewarding career? In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a data analyst, completely free, with a certification from Microsoft and LinkedIn. Plus, I'll share some pro tips on landing your dream internship. Let's get started. So, why should you consider becoming a data analyst? Data analysts are the bridge between raw data and decision-making. They clean, organize, and analyze huge datasets to uncover trends, patterns, and hidden stories. This empowers businesses to make informed decisions, optimize marketing campaigns, improve operational efficiency, and even predict future trends. Cool, right? And here's the kicker. The demand for skilled data analysts is skyrocketing. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, data analyst jobs are expected to grow 26% by 2031. That's way faster than the average for all occupations. It's a booming field with incredible opportunities. Let's talk about the essential skills you need to become a data analyst. First up, technical skills, SQL, the foundation for querying and manipulating databases. Excel, essential for data cleaning, organization, and basic analysis. Data visualization tools like Power BI and Tableau to turn data into compelling visuals. Programming languages, Python and R, are super popular for data analysis. And don't forget analytical skills like critical thinking, problem-solving, statistical analysis, and strong communication to translate complex data into clear reports. Ready to launch your data analysis journey? Microsoft and LinkedIn offer an incredible free course called Career Essentials in Data Analysis. It covers everything you need to get started. Data analysis fundamentals, SQL basics, data analysis with Excel, Power BI for data visualization, building a data analyst portfolio. The best part? It's entirely free, self-paced, and you'll earn a certificate from Microsoft and LinkedIn upon completion. This certificate is a valuable addition to your resume and gives you a solid foundation in essential data analysis skills. To enroll in the free Career Essentials in Data Analysis course, just click the link in the description below. Don't miss this opportunity to jumpstart your career as a data analyst. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more career tips and free course recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.